Good morning, everybody. We've reached a very important point in the course. We're talking about how to choose a design and have it align properly. This is a topic near and dear to my heart. I always loved the topic of alignment when I was working through my dissertation process. So I wanted to share with you this concept paper alignment table because this is going to be um, very important for you as we progress through the course. So this alignment table you'll see when you enter the Res 6512 concept paper course. I'm just giving you a little sneak peek. This was made by Dr. Akeem, and it's a very useful idea to figure out which design best fits with your research. And why this topic is really special to me is because when I was able to understand alignment is when I felt like I started making big steps towards getting my concept paper done and moving into the dissertation process. So what you'll see here, the big thing that I want to highlight are the problem, the purpose, and the research questions, because these are some of the most important things that have to be aligned. Your problem statement should emerge from the background, and it should be phrased as the problem is blah, 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 and it needs to include statistics and references. Your purpose needs to answer the problem. It has to address the problem statement. So the purpose of this, say, qualitative method study is to, et cetera, and it basically should be to address or solve the problem. And then your research questions, if we're talking about qualitative, should be open-ended that flow from the problem and purpose using the same terminology. And that same terminology component is key because that helps to create direct alignment. So I'll give you an example from my own dissertation. So if I flip over here, one of the things you'll see, so this is the actual alignment assignment that I did from the concept paper course, which is something you'll be doing in the coming terms. So you can see my problem that I identified is a lack of consensus on what constitutes effective online instructor training. And then in my purpose statement, I say the purpose of this phenomenological study is to explore faculty members' perceptions of online instructor training to work towards a consensus of what constitutes effective online instructor training. You can see right here that this language is the same in the problem and the purpose. And that is intentional. That is alignment. And now, the following three research questions guide the study. What are the experiences of online instructors in one academic institution regarding online instructor training? What are their perceptions of current online instructor training? And which areas do they believe would be more beneficial? All of that directly addresses the problem and therefore aligns with the problem and our purpose. So you can see that these three elements are very carefully aligned. Some other things that I'll highlight for you in terms of what I did with the research questions. So here I specifically say we want to explore faculty members' perceptions, okay? And you'll notice that the word perceptions is in the research questions. Also the word experiences. Well, experiences and perceptions go hand in hand in qualitative designs. Okay. And now I'm asking here about their beliefs. Well, beliefs and perceptions also go together. So you can see this very clear alignment present in this study. So these are some of the things that you want to be thinking about as you decide, do you want to do phenomenology, case study, ethnography, content analysis, grounded theory, all of our different and wonderful qualitative designs. Think about them in terms of your proposed problem, purpose, and research questions. So I hope that this video helps you, and feel free to reach out with any questions.